Surprising as it may seem, some of the highest grossing channels on YouTube don't have a face attached to them. Yes, it's quite a revelation. Faceless video channels are earning in millions annually. We're now entering the profitable sphere of faceless YouTube content. Fear not, you too can benefit from this trend. I'm Rapid Growth Online, navigating you through the expansive galaxy of online triumph. We're going to how YouTube can generate revenue with faceless videos aided by artificial intelligence. The path to success, broken down into simple, clear, and comprehensible steps. Today, I'm going to break down the process of making money on YouTube with faceless videos using AI tools into clear, easy-to-follow steps. First things first, what are faceless videos? Essentially, these are digital content pieces that don't necessitate the creator to physically appear or vocally contribute. They can come in many forms, some of which can include things like animated illustrations, detailed demonstration videos, captured screen activities, or content produced using advanced artificial intelligence technology. These could be animation, explainer videos, screen recordings, or even AI-generated content. So how can you start making money with these types of videos? Let's delve deeper. Step 1 is to identify your niche. This is the bedrock upon which your YouTube channel dwells. It could span a diverse range from tech reviews to cooking tutorials, or even travel vlogs or fashion hauls. The trick is to pinpoint a field you're genuinely passionate about, and one which captivates public interest. It's not just about choosing a topic, it's about choosing a topic you can connect with on a visceral level, one that resonates with your audience and stirs their curiosity. Step 2 then presents itself: create your content. This step is paramount in creating a successful YT channel. It's where AI tools prove their worth. From text-to-speech software to animation generators and even video editing programs, these AI tools are the modern miracle workers. They enable you to create compelling, engaging content without ever needing to be physically present in front of a camera or a microphone. The beauty of these tools lies in their ability to help you create professional quality videos with ease, removing the barriers of technical expertise and freeing you to focus on the artistry of your content. The next step, step 3, is to monetize your content. This is the magic moment where your passion project transforms into a potential income stream. There are multiple ways to earn money on YouTube, the most common of which is through ad revenue. Once your channel reaches the golden milestone of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within a year, you become eligible for YouTube's partner program. Beyond ad revenue, though, there are other avenues to explore. From affiliate marketing, sponsored videos, to even creating and selling your own merchandise, the possibilities are vast. Step 4 then follows. Optimize your content. The world of SEO is not limited to websites alone. By optimizing your video titles, descriptions, and tags, you can increase the reach of your videos, attracting a wider audience, and thus potentially boosting your earnings. SEO savvy can make the difference between your content being a hidden gem and a widely viewed sensation. Lastly, step 5, consistency is key. Regularly posting content not only keeps your viewers engaged, it also fosters your channel's growth. Remember, the more content you churn out, the more opportunities there are for viewers to watch and for you to earn. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to earning revenue on YouTube through faceless videos. While this could seem like a demanding task, rest assured, with advanced AI tools readily available, it's now more manageable than ever imagined. But before we draw curtains to this tutorial, a small request. If you found the information shared in this video helpful, extend your support by liking this video. Moreover, to stay in the loop with the latest insights on maximizing your online presence, please ensure you're subscribed to our channel. We also encourage you to share this video with your network, especially those who you believe would benefit from it. Remember, the success isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It's about persistence, the right amount of creativity, and leveraging AI tools the right way. Imagine building a profitable YouTube channel without ever stepping into the limelight. Sounds exciting, right? So hold back. Initiate your YouTube voyage today. This is Rapid Growth Online, wishing you success. Until we meet again, keep nurturing your digital footprint and keep growing.